What is up, my super amazing beautiful people? So today we are at ABIS, which is the newest branch that has opened at Secunderabad. So let me take you inside and show you everything. Let's get started. Okay, so you guys saw the ambience and everything, and you also saw all the counters that are available here. So usually you will not see this place this empty. I just came in a little early, so that's why you see a couple of chairs vacant. Otherwise, I would advise you, whenever you're planning to visit, do make a reservation, because if you come here directly, you may not find a place to sit. You may have to wait for some time. Okay, so here is the complete menu that we have here. So these are all the veg starters that we will get, and these are the non-veg starters that we will get on the table. Other than that, from the Wish Grill we can order any of these items. And this is the price of the buffet for both veg and non-veg, both weekdays and weekends. And here is the menu for the main course. So you can see these are all the veg items that we will get, and these are all the non-veg items we will get. And you have the soup here, and then at the bottom you have all the desserts that we will get. So you can just have a look at it as well. And I'll also update the price point and everything in the description, so that you can have a look at it and you can decide when you want to come to this place. And definitely I can tell you that you are going to love it. Okay, so the starters are here. Let me quickly take you closer. Just have a look at it. These are the amazing starters. We have chicken on the left, on the right, and then we have prawns, and then we have fresh fish. And here are the accompaniments. So do try these. I can tell you that I've tried all three of them, and these are my favorites. So there are more veg starters that will come next, so I'll show that to you as well. Here are the veg starters. We have barbecue paneer, and then we have barbecue fruits, we have achari mushroom, and then we have achari paneer, and we have barbecue pineapple. So just have a look. These are the vegetarian starters over here. So that's how you can choose all the items you want from the Wish Grill, and then they will prepare it on that particular stuff. So do give it a try. It's quite interesting of a concept here. So the biggest thing that I love about Abyss is that, you know, they do a lot of things to ensure that their customers are happy by the time they leave. They have a lot of options in terms of the food, they have a lot of options in terms of the Wish Grills, the extra desserts, and then the other counters that they have. They also ensure that they celebrate with you your celebrations, be it your birthday, your anniversary and everything. You'll always see that they are doing that extra thing for you so that you can have a good day when you come here. Hi, how are you guys?
Doing good.
So what actually is your purpose of coming here today? Are you celebrating something or
Like every year we meet on Friendship Day.
on Friendship's Day? So these are your close friends?
Yeah, same.
Okay, what's your name? Rohit. And you?
Avinash.
Avinash and Shiva. Okay, so I see there's a lot of things in here. So can you tell me what all have you taken here?
Like we went for the fish grill, the pasta, the chaat, and the pizza.
The pizza.
So,
Can I just scroll over here once? Let's see.
Sure,
Yeah. So you can see all the starters that we have here. And this is the Wish Grill. And sorry, this is the grill that we have. And then these are all the items that we have from the Wish Grill. So I see that they are thoroughly enjoying everything. So thank you very much, guys. So you just saw that, you know, people come here for everything. I mean, like, there are a lot of people who come here for celebration. Like you just saw these guys who came for a celebration of Friendship Day, right? So for every occasion, this place is something, you know, which will be perfect. And definitely I can say that if you come with your family and if you come with your friends, you definitely are gonna have a very good time over here. And here is how they differentiate between the veg and non-veg. So the black plate that you see here is actually given to all the non-vegetarian people, and here they have separate plates which is in green, which is given to all the vegetarian people. So that's how the waiter knows what to serve where. So that's it for me to show you from Absolute Barbecues, Secunderabad. So do visit this place and make sure that you tag me if in case you do, and enjoy this place. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So that's it from my side. This is your Ladla Foodie signing off. You have a great day ahead.